Para. Para. No toques. No toques. Sorry guys, but I got the little cyclone and yes, she lives up to her name, Cyclone. I don't know if I should do this because then it's gonna open up on the top, but maybe that's a good idea so I'm able to grab it better because I'm struggling to open these. I feel very shaky today and I think it's just from the chaos this morning and being irritated and being stressed. It's not really irritated. No, Catalina, it's more stressed. I mean, it's a lot going on this morning with her, my mother. My mother is the type of person that likes to make me upset on purpose. Why? I don't know, but that's how she is. And I am just not doing good right now. So close myself in the room with Catalina, some tea, and this. And I'm sorry about the way I recorded this. I was going to do a short, but I ended up deciding just to do the full video. Because the short would have been too short. But here it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these as dashboards. And I can put things. I got this idea from Life with Hope. Oh, I remembered. I got this idea from Life with Hope, and I really loved how she switches her dashboards or dividers. What are they? Are these dashboards or are these dividers? She switches these things, I think for the season. So yeah, I really like it. It's not my idea, so the only thing I don't like is that this right here has a little bit, so this, wow. This part is longer than this part, so it makes it easier for you to open. With me cutting this, it takes that little lip away, so then that's why I was struggling to find the opening. But I really like it, and they're thin, so I can but I can switch these around. I'm still looking for a pen loop, guys. So, oh, somebody turned the TV on. Let's skip that. Yeah, it's constant movement with this little girl. She's my little cyclone. So I think that worked perfect. I'm gonna have to, after this, take some deep breaths. Catalina, cierra la puerta. I'm gonna have to take some deep breaths, put some cartoons on for her, and just lay on the bed and try to relax because I feel my entire hands are shaking. My chest is weird. Yeah. That's what happens when I get stressed. But I hope you like this idea. Not mine, but it's a cool one. And if I can right now, or maybe after I take a break, I will do the rest. I just need 3. And I got a whole pack. Let me show you guys. I got a whole pack. It came with 12. I don't need 12, but I got them from Amazon. And I don't know what that is, but anyways, I could link them on my Amazon page, but at this moment I'm not because I need to just stop and take a break. But I will maybe later, or I might link them, show them on Instagram maybe. I don't know. If you want me to send you the link, just message me and I'll send you the link. All right, I'm gonna go rest. Have a good day. Bye. Have a great day, guys. Bye.